Hello students, as I earlier told you that I will teach the class 11th first chapter, that is part A book, that is name is the statistics of the economics. In that first chapter is the introduction chapter. In this chapter I will tell about the what is economics and why we study the economics, what is the nature of the economics, and what is the use of the economics in our human life. It means that what is economics? Economics means the study of the human behavior. Study of the human behavior. We study about the human behavior. Means how the human behavior acts. Suppose that when we purchase the petrol, if the petrol prices rises, then we when the petrol prices when the petrol prices when the petrol prices rises, then the consumer have the problem that how we purchase. Then secondly, when the petrol prices is down, then the consumer are able to purchase the petrol. So human behavior depend upon the what are the conditions are going on and how much the economic activities are going on. According to that, the human behavior is depends. It means that the what is economics? Economics is the study of the human behavior. And the word economics are made up of the two Greek words, that oikos nemon. Oikos nemon means the manage household things as the process or the process or the science which used to manage the household things only in the earlier time. As we know that the economics is the permanent subject, and you know that the how who are called the father of the economics. Father of the economics called Adam Smith was called the father of the economics, and in the 1776 in his books Wealth of Nation, he has written and called the father of the economics. In that book, according to the Adam Smith, he only talk about only the physical goods, not the services what the peoples are providing. His book name is Wealth of Nation and is published in 1776. See, in this chapter we will study about how the economics is linked with the economic activities, how the economic is linked with the economic activities in the consumption, production, and the distribution. And we know about the why the knowledge of the statistics can help in describing the consumption, production, and the distribution, and how the consumption, production, distribution are related to the economics, and what are the special need of this consumption, production, and distribution. See, there are five things which are important in the economics to tackle the activities of the economics. First is the consumer, second is seller, third is the producer, and the fourth is the service holder, and fifth is the service provider. Who are the consumer are the people who consume the things. When we buy the things from the market, when they buy the things in the market from the market and we use them, we are called the consumers. And when we sell the things in the market, when they selling these things in the market to the consumer, to the people to use them, they are called the seller. The person who sell the things, they are called the seller. And producers are the person who are called producer, are the person who produce the products or manufacture the products and producing in the market to earn money, they are called the producers. See, next is the service holder. Who are called a service holder? You may employed by somebody. If you may employed by somebody and who pays you the wages or the salary for your work, they are called the service holder, and they are called the service holder. And the service provider are the person like a doctor, lawyer, transport of the goods, means the person who works to earn money or providing services for earning the money, they are called the service provider. These are comes under the economic activities, for according including all these people, the economic activities are going on. And economic activities are what? Economic activities are the ones that are undertaken that are undertaken for the monetary gain. Economic activities are ones that are undertaken for the monetary gain, that is called the economic activity. It means that in economic activities, if we don't talk about the money, that it means it not means that it is economic activities, it's the non economic activities. मीन्स economic activities में हम किस चीज़ की बात करते हैं, मुद्रा की बात करते हैं, पैसे की बात करते हैं. एंड ये पैसे की बात होती कैसे है, तो इट मीन्स दैट द स्कैर्सिटी इज़ द रूट ऑफ ऑल इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम. स्कैर्सिटी इज़ द रूट ऑफ ऑल इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम. सभी एक आर्थिक गतिविधियों के लिए जो कमियां हैं सबसे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती हैं. सो स्कैर्सिटी इज़ द रूट ऑफ ऑल द इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम्स. सो आई विल टेल यू नेक्स्ट थिंग्स इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. थैंक यू.